Babes, your lips taste like mango. Mm-hmm.
Wanna eat that boy? I would hell him there, man. Him supposed to go to the shop. I'll tell mommy, you know what?
Keisha, I'm gonna page you later, alright? Tell my house tonight, alright? When everybody is asleep.
Alright, babes.
Alright, later.
Wait, more, you still a back your face?
I'll tell you that. I lied about the papa. Better do that. Look for when mama takes if I go to the shop. Push by there. Yo, motherfucker work, you know, buy the things them now.
So wait, your foot them broke? Why you couldn't go?
Are you a work or me a work? Eh?
You go work right now? Why you couldn't go to shop for mommy? Eh? Love take man feel like him say me I eat that or something, don't it?
No, you're a loser. Simple.
Yo, who the hell you calling loser? You look fat boy.
I'll tell mama what you say.
I'm to the man here. Yo, Whitmore, wait no man. Is that what I gotta eat that now?
Me don't like when you talk to your brother, you know. If you have mothers, stop bothering your brother.
Yo, mommy, me not look boy no more now. I want to you.
Make here where you want to. Stop stress out your brother. Cause if I can buy one car, you not do nothing. Stop stressing out. You walk less. I tell your dirty dog to stop bite up my slippers.
Skittle, you know have all of the food already? You can't do that. Alright, kill it. Come, let me go get some feed. Hello, Anika. Me can get the fish meal, please? I'll make it nice and steamy, like what you usually cook it.
Laway dash mo.
Easy, man. We never dash away. Hello, Dwight. How are you? Sweet granddaughter. You still good today? Hold up on your lip.
Nothing, Grandma. Your grandma has a woolly of food.
See, Mateo say you could do it. Good job. Skittle forward.
Babe, you can give me a massage, please.
No problem. Turn around. Your back feel better? Alright, come and get another one.
Babes, you love rap too much, you know. I swear. Stop it, man.
Alright, take time. Wait more, you're so silly.
Me silly. Come here, man. Not nice.
I love a piece of that big chocolate there. Give me some now. Go have a quickie in my bathroom. Nobody not gonna know. Long time I wait for all day now.
Babes, you're alright? But just come check up on you. So I'm gonna see you come back in the living room. You have to take a shower?
Yes, babes, the water hot and nice.
With Urban finish this, you know. Alright. Skittle, stop your noise, man.
Babes, you look well refreshed. Mwah.
I bet sure that me get it now well.
Eh? You know, I'm me buy the new tank for extra water. So be it as long as you're alright.
Really? Next time we stay in there for 3 hours. Really? You're so funny. 3 hours max.
Be it as long as you want.
I saw what you was doing in the bathroom with that girl. Isn't that your brother's girlfriend?
You, what you talk about? You never see nothing, man. Go on about your business, man. You're too damn enough.
I wouldn't be talking like that if I was you. I know your brother, you know. I would tell him everything I just saw.
Alright, listen. Just using a look at you. What you want? Me can get anything what you want.
Anything? Alright, well, I want some chocolate bar out here in the fridge. And you have to give me every single day.
Alright, that alone, alright. Forward. Hurry up. Come. Just hurry up and take the thing and go on in the man. Don't make nobody see you.
Pleasure doing business with you.